Hey folks, John with Hyundai and R Chevys. Want to talk to you about my trash trailer today. When I built it, I wanted to have the turn signals in the ambers here instead of just the standard trailer braking setup where you have your stops and turns here. Wired up the reverse lights. You can probably add some more onto this piece of shit. Anyways, I was watching a video Bob thing about this fake Ferrari and seen where he was describing an adapter like this here. It converts a 2-wire into a 3-wire system. So basically it takes the input from the brake light and the turn signal, splits them out, so it gives you something down here. Can't just stumble across it in any stupid ass little store we got up here. So went on the old Jungle channel, found it, decided to try it. I had a choice of a powered version where you run 12 volt to this, and I decided to go without the 12 volt. Well, what happened was when I plugged it in and wired it in, when this turn signal would come on, the brake lights would brown out. Well, I thought there was probably a ground problem, so I chased the grounds one end of this trailer to the other. Decided it probably wasn't a ground, so I decided to add the 12 volt power I have through the 7-pin to trigger a relay. So when you hit the brake light out wire on this kit triggers the relay and powers the brake lights. So this thing here is only powering the turn signal. That looks good to me. So anyways, this is something I wanted to do to this trailer since I bought or built it, and just set it off a little different than the rest of the things out there. So anyways, this is a 2 to 3 wire taillight system. This will also work on the early Chevys like this Avalanche. So anyways, hey, thanks for watching.